As part of the GoBright desk booking solution, then you have the scope to build in a recurring booking for your desk. If we click on search and search for a desk, and we just want to do our general search criteria for those desks, then I might want to book a particular desk in the office, and I can go to advanced bookings. Now here I could be looking to have this repeating daily, and we could have an end date set from the end dates menu, or I could actually have this after so many times. So if I wanted this desk for 2 weeks or 10 days, then we can actually have that starting, and it will do the number of bookings for that period of time. All I have to do is click book. That's confirmed. And then back on my dashboard, we can actually see we've got a recurring booking, and the recurring booking is highlighted by the little arrows after the time. You can see I've got other bookings and there's no arrows because those are just singular bookings. If you did want to edit, then you can go into the edit, and we could actually change the timings for that, extend it or edit the booking as well. But the importance of this solution is that you can have that recurring booking available at a set period of time.